Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today's Friday, November 25th. The time is 4 a.m. GMT, and today we are looking at the chart of the pound dollars right here. So we can see right here that the pound is rallying higher, and we have with A and with B over here. And the fact that this is A and B suggests the rally is in fact corrective, right? And we are now within the select, and within the select it subdivides into 5 waves. So we are looking to finish with one of C right here. So with one of C here subdivides into another 5 waves rally, right? And then from here we should be getting a 3 pullback, followed by more upside again after that. So as long as we stay above 117.61, we should continue to see for the upside in the near term. So in the near term still remains bullish at this point. Alright, now let's zoom out and get some ideas where we are. Here is the 4-hour time frame. So I'm copying the A and B position here into this 4-hour A and B. Now we can see right here from this low we got this AB, and then now we are doing the select, and then soon it's gonna be ending one of C over here, right? So this is only one of C. Now if this is an A, then that means this is also a 5 ways rally. So this is your 1 2 3 4 5 here. Okay, so what we have is a simple structure now, without having to know all the previous labels, which you can find if you look at the higher time frame in our service. Alright, so this is basically what we got. So from here we can see that the next leg higher can potentially go to 100% extension of the AB, right? You can go to as high as 126, as you can see here, right? But this needs to be subdivided into 5 waves. So something like this. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like this is a possibility here. And shorter cycle is very simple. As long as we stay above this B, right, which is this B here, then we should be looking to continue to go higher. Potentially can go to as high as 124, right? But it should be 5 ways up, 5 way structure from the B here. So it's a very simple, straightforward, right? And again, we do have other Forex, commodities, indices, and so on. You can check our service. We have 14 days trial if you want to check. The link is in the description of the video. Also, for now, we are running Black Friday promotion for limited time. You can get 2 months subscription for the price of only 1 month. So will be a limited time, so take advantage of this if you want to try. And I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.